Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Hud. وَلَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا نُوحًا إِلَىٰ قَوْمِهِ إِنِّي لَكُمْ نَذِيرٌ مُبِينٌ. Translation: And we had sent Nuh to his nation, saying, Indeed, I am a clear warner to you. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Allah ta'budu illallah inni akhafu alaykum adhaba yawmin alim. Translation: That you must worship Allah, none except Him. Indeed, I fear for you the punishment of a painful day. In the previous ayahs, we studied about the disbelievers and about the believers, and we studied how their attitudes and their ends and destinations were quite opposite. In these ayahs, we will study about the story of Nuh alayhi salam, and we will see that how his nation rejected the truth and they were persisting on the falsehood and on the sinful life, and we will see how they got punished in this world, and the punishment in hereafter is even worse for them. Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam told his nation that I am explaining you clearly the things that you will get a severe punishment if you don't leave those, and also will tell you the things that will save you from the severe punishment. The foremost thing is stop worshipping any deity other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And as we will study in Surah Nuh, that they had idols and their names were Wad, Su'a, Yaghus, Ya'uq, Nasr, and these idols the people of Nuh alayhi salam were worshipping. So Nuh alayhi salam warned them that stop worshipping anyone other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, otherwise you will get the severe punishment. The day of severe punishment means the day in which very painful punishment will come, and it could have meant the day of hereafter when these peoples will get the painful punishment, or it could also be the day when the people of Nuh were all drowned and destroyed. Wallahu a'lam. Let's praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, give us true understanding of Quran, connect us with the truthful people, and save us from any punishment of hellfire. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.